Hello, welcome to Texture Myth. In this session, we will learn about one more new built-in function that is Scanrpl. So let's go through that program. So here we are writing the code in fully free format, and for the same here I'm using star free on the very first position, and below to that I'm declaring some variable. So here I have declared two variable. First is string and second is result, and these both variables are of type character and of length 50. All right, below to that we are assigning some string or characters to this string variable. So here you can see that I have assigned this string which is replace BIF in rpgle. Okay, so suppose now requirement is that if someone asks you to replace this BIF with full form of BIF, that is built-in function. So in that case we need some built-in function to scan and replace, and for the same we use the percentage scan rpl function. Okay, and after that we here I'm not using that function. We are just displaying it directly so that we can compare the output, and just below to that we are using this function. So what is the syntax for a scan rpl function? It takes the first argument as a scan string. So whatever the string we pass here, it will look for that string into the for those characters into the string. And second argument is replacement string. So from which string we want to replace it, we have to pass that. And after the third argument colon, second colon, you have to pass the third argument, which is source string, like on which string you want to perform that operation. So here on line number 24 we are using a scan rpl function. First argument is BIF, second argument is the full form of BIF, means built-in function, and third is the source string, which is string. And after that we are just displaying it and setting star inlr equals to star on. So if we understand that logic, so what we are doing here, we are just using scan rpl function to search this term in this source string. So my source string is this. So what it will do, it will scan for this. So it will find it here and then replace this BIF with the replacement string. So my replacement string is built-in functions. Okay, so let's compile and check whether we are getting the correct output or not. I'm calling it. So firstly we are displaying it without using the scan replace built-in function. And after that, when we use this scan rpl function, then we go our BIF character is replaced with the built-in function. So this is the way through which we can use this scan rpl built-in function to achieve such results. Like if you want to replace it with some other character, then we can change the replacement string. Let's say if I want to replace this BIF with ABC. So what I will do, I will change this replacement string and I will compile this again. So now the initial string was this, replace BIF in rpgle, and now new string is replace ABC in rpgle. Okay, so what it do, it find for BIF and replace it with the replacement string, that is ABC. So yeah, that's how we can make use of this scan rpl built-in function. So yeah, that's all for this session. In the upcoming session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Texture Myth.